Best ways to improve your email marketing open rates. While many people may think that email marketing is dead, it still has one of the highest engagement rates of any marketing strategy. Plus, with an average return of $44.25 for every $1 spent, email marketing also has one of the highest returns on investment. The key to taking advantage of this is to find a way to stand out from the crowd. One easy way to figure out if your efforts are paying off is to pay attention to the open rates of your email campaigns. Here are some of the best ways that you can improve the open rates for your email marketing campaigns. Create an engaging subject line. The first thing that consumers see on any emails is the subject line. If you haven't tested and optimized yours, then you're leaving money on the table. A/B testing isn't just for your landing pages and websites, it is also an essential part of your email marketing. You want to aim for creating a casual and personal opening line. Write quality content. If your customers come to expect your business to send engaging, entertaining, and informative emails, you'll see a substantial increase in your open rates. However, if you are sending information that they can find elsewhere, or you send them nothing but promotional emails, your messages will end up in the trash bin. One of the best ways to keep your open rates high is by sending high-quality emails less frequently. Send at the right time. In marketing, timing is everything. This is especially true when it comes to email marketing. You want to make sure that you are sending emails at the best times based on the audience, message, and intent. You can do some testing to find this out, or you can do your research on the industry to determine the typical results. Avoid spam filters. The filters on email servers are becoming more and more sophisticated, and if your emails end up in subscribers' spam folders, you'll see your open rate plummet. If you want to stay out of spam folders, then you need to make sure you avoid sending emails that look like spam. Limit the number of links in your message and make sure it doesn't read like a brochure. These are some of the best ways to ensure your emails get open. If you want to run an email marketing campaign that is successful, then you need to work on increasing your open rates.